Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the hinge. Basically, it should looks like this. But if luckily hinge comes out, there's a way you can put it back. So this is your called hinge. Yeah, hinge. And here's a leg. Okay, let's go. So grab the hinge because we're gonna hit it. So if you hold it with your hand, it's gonna be burned. I'm gonna put this hinge like this location. So yeah, grab with some tool, otherwise your hands will be burned. Now I need a torch. There's a fire, so be careful guys. Fire, man. There you go. Heat it up. Keep doing it. Heat it up until it goes red. Heat it up. Yeah, there you go. Getting red. More. I think it's pretty enough. Let's go. Put it back. So let's wait a little bit and check that out if the hinge goes well or not. When it's cool down, put the leg back and then arrange the screw back. So done. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the hinge part. At this moment, you do better to take it out the lenses because we're gonna hit the hinge part with the torch. I don't want you get the damage on your lenses. So basically, you have to take it off the lens first. We have to take it off broken hinges and then we need to repair it, right? Basically, we have to hit it. So prepare the torch. No, oh, there you go. So I will hit it. It's gonna be messed up in the back. There's no chance. I found the healthy hinge part here, and then I'm gonna burn it. So I'm gonna hit it back. Torch, nurse, torch, please hit it up until it goes red completely. You have to hold it and keep doing it. Hit it well. One shot, one kill. That's what we need. There you go, it's ready. Here you go. Wait. There you go. Now we need to cool down. We took it off the lenses before, right? So now we have to put it back. So basically, let's heat it a little bit. If you don't have this special equipment, you could use with hair dryer. But remember, you need to heat only right amount. It's really hard to tell you how many minutes is exactly right amount. It depends on the material. That's why you need experience. There you go. And now finish the insert lenses. We're gonna put the screw back. Where's the screw? Nurse. Nurse? Okay, nurse. Now you found the screw. Here you go. So we're gonna assemble the things. So we put the leg again, and then look at the arrangement. Good, perfecto. Now we're gonna put the screw back. So put the screw back. So, ta-da! We fixed the hinge. Normally we don't take this kind of recast job. Reason why, as I show you, because of the torch, and then we have to heat it up for taking out the hinge part. So it's kind of fun. So if picky customer requests this kind of job, we cannot do very perfect. In front, of course, it's perfect, but in the back, it's going to be ugly. And second reason, it's hard to get the right hinge part because it looks or different sizes and then different materials. So it's really hard to get perfect matching hinge between the broken one, between the right one. That's why we don't want to take it. But I'm making this video for education, and just in case if you want to keep something special and memorial glasses or sunglasses, I want to show you there's a way. That's it. Thank you for watching.